Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video I am going to make rose water at home. Rose water is something that everyone include in their skincare. But rose water in the markets contains chemicals, color and preservatives. So I thought, why not making rose water at home? It came out pretty well. So I'm here to share with you the recipe. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. You will need a bunch of roses. I am using red roses here. You can use any roses of your choice. Keep in mind that if you use pink roses, the water will become white in color. If you use red roses, the water will come out pink in color. Do not try to mix roses of all colors because end result you may get brown water and fragrance will also be not nice. Try to use only one color of roses. I got these bunch of red roses for ₹10 and this is your budget for preparing rose water at home. Just 10 rupees you will get your homemade rose water free from chemicals, preservatives and colors. Pluck the petals from the roses. I am using 5 small roses here. I am adding water to the bowl, rinsing them to make them clean from pesticides and insects. I am filtering them using a strainer. Transfer the rose petals to a pan. I am adding 1 cup of water to it. Lid the stove. Keep it in sim for the entire process. Do not boil the water. I am covering the pan with a lid. After 10 minutes, you can see the petals have lost its color, which means it is time for us to remove the pan. When it is completely cooled down, pour it into a container in which you want to store it. The water has got a beautiful pink color to it. It has come out really well. Store the rose water in a refrigerator and the shelf life of this product is 1 month. Here are some ways in which you can use rose water. You can use rose water as a toner. You can add rose water to any of your face packs. Pour rose water on a cotton pad and place it onto your eyes to get rid of dark circles and puffiness. Rose water has numerous benefits as these are only some of them. Do try this rose water at home. It's simple, easy and cheap. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.